The brave little bird. Once upon a time, there was a little bird who was afraid of heights. He lived in a nest high up in a tree, but he was too scared to fly down. One day, a big storm came. The wind blew and the rain poured down. The little bird was so scared that he started to cry. "I'm going to die," he cried. "I'm too afraid to fly." Just then, a wise old owl flew by. "Don't be afraid," said the owl. "I'll help you." The owl took the little bird in his talons and flew him down from the tree. The little bird was so scared, but he trusted the owl. When they landed on the ground, the little bird was so happy. He had finally faced his fear of heights. "Thank you," said the little bird to the owl. "You saved my life." "You're welcome," said the owl. "Now, go and fly." The world is yours to explore. The little bird took a deep breath and spread his wings. He flew away, and he never looked back.